Riot Glass is a manufacturer of forced entry and ballistic glazing systems tested to the most stringent protocols from ASTM and Underwriters Laboratories. Our relentless pursuit of the strongest glass protection products has led to innovations in both the transparencies and framing systems. We are known for our retrofit assemblies that allow clients to protect structures without the need to remove the existing primary glazing. That means less construction downtime and, more importantly, provides a lower cost option for window and glass door security. Lower cost does not mean lower protection. In fact, our RG series ballistic glazing passes up to UL 752 level 7, stopping 5.56 rounds, and ASTM test protocol 3038, which is a 15-minute test with a team of 6 attackers with tools ranging from a 6-foot pry bar to multiple simultaneous sledgehammers. We are known for our ability to protect people and property in government buildings, high-end residences, retail stores, hospitals, and commercial office buildings. If you are in loss prevention, asset protection, or executive protection, we have solutions you can employ to prevent forced entry, active threats, and other targeted attacks. Contact us today to learn more.